Ananta, we've seen some shots of protesters blocking tracks, trains stopped out there. So likely that the local trains are going to be affected?
Well, yes, we saw those scenes, emerging from Allahabad, where early in the morning, Samajwadi Party workers actually went ahead and, stopped these trains for about half an hour. And then the administration stepped in and allowed the trains to leave the railway station. I'll just ask my camera person to pan and show you the scenes at, this major intersection right opposite, the Vidhan Sabha. The only transport vehicles, most of them that we see are auto rickshaws and buses that are plying today on the roads of Lucknow. And there is an advisory for all businesses to be shut. The Samajwadi Party Traders Association and also various other trader bodies and merchant bodies in the state have endorsed their support to the Bandh that has been called by the Samajwadi Party government. And as you pointed out earlier, Kulsum, that even though we saw Mulayam Singh Yadav share political center stage with Sonia Gandhi at that third UP anniversary dinner, but in the state of Uttar Pradesh, the Samajwadi Party is staunchly opposed to this petrol price hike and says that it cannot burden its state exchequer further by reducing the more than 20% VAT that exists, that the state government imposes on petrol prices. So the state government not willing to go ahead and ease the burden of the common man, but at the same time they stand with the protest, and they will ensure that across the state we see similar scenes that we are seeing in Allahabad. Although there is an advisory for people in Lucknow to perhaps not head out after 9 or 10 because essential services like public transport could be affected. But the administration says that public transport and other essential services like hospitals should not be affected during the course of the Bandh today. And the BJP is likely to emerge from its party office about 9 a.m. and they will perhaps head towards the main area of the city, which is Hazratganj, and perhaps protest over there. The Samajwadi Party right now is saying that it's around 11 when they will come out in large numbers across the city and perhaps across places during the entire state, throughout the entire state, to protest against this fuel price hike.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.